also, you have water coming from the shower, the kitchen, the laundry, and then we collect this water with the treatment tank. From here, those heavy stuff, whatever come out of it, stays at the bottom, and then the clean part of the clean water, we drain it, to a back splinter. That's one way of doing it. That's one system that we have evaluated, but we also have other systems. Now, over here, let's give you advanced water treatment. You see the cycle that we have over here, right? We have a septic tank that we use a lot in Haiti, the septic system that collects all the stuff and then return the every residue in the water, and then we have a sand filter where the water go through to another purification level, and then after that we use it toward the ground water. Okay. Now this is some type of schematic diagram that you guys get used to.